won't pause. Well, that was a fail, but hi guys! Welcome back to a new video, finally! Yeah! Woo! I haven't recorded since, like, April, I think, and before then, I waited, like, so many months. I haven't had motivation to record, and I've also been kind of dead, and yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna try to be more active now, and I'm back! I'm alive! Yeah! Back! Back from the dead tonight! Ah! So today is the 4th of... Ew, why is my ear sticky? Might have to put my head in a bucket of water. But anyways, today is the 4th of July, guys. And Dad got fireworks. Some fireworks. I'll show you better then, and you'll get to see them go off. And we're about to go to Bruxelles for some burgers and maybe some chips and stuff. So yeah, bumino! Okay guys, so I actually had this red shirt with that was like America and it had like a flag on it, but I don't know where it is. I lost it. I had it last year and forgot to wear it, and now it's gone. I wonder if Jello ate it. At least I have a red collar in this American flag. Waving my flag. And Rice Krispies! Waving my flag. And now we're gonna go to the store. Mom's getting ready, I think. I don't know. She was like getting ready and now I don't know. So, but I got this flag that I can use as a shirt. It's kind of uncomfortable and I'm kind of choking myself, but like it works. Woo, America! Hi, Kizzy! I just let you in. I have PMS on my shoe from SpongeBob. I don't record much at the store, but we're home now, and America, Mountain Dew, America, USA, yeah. It's like really purple though, and it looks like a mixture of chemicals. We also got burgers and cheese and stuff. My dad is cooking on the grill. And wieners, and we got Jello remember my twin brother? We got vanilla ice cream and food coloring, so we can have 4th of July ice cream. I don't know when we want to have it though, maybe while we're watching the fireworks, that might be cool. What do you think? Preston is making an American flag craft. I mean Adam, sorry. Okay, Dad finished some food now. I have a burger. And there's pickles on it. Hi, Dad. I have a hot dog, I have sausage, I have sour cream and onion chips, and I have honey barbecue chips. I might put the barbecue chips on my burger. Yum, 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 yum. The grill. It's time to eat now. Yay. So I have my American drink and my cookout food from Dad. Time to try the food. Oh, the roll's so hot because the sausage was not here. Yum, 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 yum. Wiener. So I just recorded a TikTok. Check out my TikTok at putin_the_cat. I do this series on there where I try food and stuff. So anyways, I tried this for the first time on there. Let me tell you guys, it tastes like berry lifesavers. I thought it was gonna taste like pine sol, not gonna lie. Anyways, the hot dog is really, really good. I love wieners. Take that as you wish. This burger is so good and I put chips on it. Yummy, 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 yum, yum. See you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so it's about 8:30 now? Wow. And somehow still not dark out yet. Like, it's getting there, but you know. So, maybe we'll do sparklers or something. Maybe we'll have our ice cream. I don't know. Adam made a craft and... Ooh, it's sexy. So yeah, maybe I'll have ice cream now, I don't know. Because I feel like if we have the ice cream too late, I won't be able to show you guys because it'll be too dark, you know? To like, for you guys to see it. Yeah, and ice cream is just really good. And the later it gets, the cooler it gets, so, you know. Plus I don't want to miss any of the fireworks. Because what if we're like while Jello's making it, like the fireworks are going and then we miss it because we're making our ice cream. Oh. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, fireworks soon, yay! And Klondike's here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, she's inappropriate. I still have a flag attached to my collar, my necklace. The ice cream's really hard, so I'm letting it get soft. It's pink! And it looks like frozen yogurt! The blue, and Dad's getting fireworks. It's done, but like it kind of looks like it looks a lot lighter on camera, but this is like pastel blue, perfectly pastel blue. And this is kind of a hot pink. I don't know, maybe if I turn my brightness down. How do I? Yeah, there we go. That's about the real colors of it. So it's pastel American flag, and it looks like frozen yogurt. Time to try. Got a little bit of each. That's fucking, that's fucking good. Also, Dad is doing fireworks. 4th of July ice cream, and I got myself. Let me take a picture for Instagram. Oinga. Okay, and then Dad is over here, and he has fireworks, and Mom's over here.
I'm here too.
Yeah, we're ready, and yeah. Light it up and let it burn!
First one and oh.
Yeah! Yeah, fire! It's purple!
I like it. It's
Oh no, my brightness is too high. Let me turn it down. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, put that on me. Oh. Wait, is it done? What? I missed the beginning though, but it was like green and red. Yeah, boy! Plastic surgery! Whoa! It's like a sprinkler! Oh, I love it! Oh no, it's not focusing! Oh no, it's too bright! You can't see it! You can't see the real prettiness! No! He ran away! Yeah! Oh, it looks like a bonfire!
pink.
It looks like a bonfire on my phone. Ooh, it's pink! You guys probably can't tell, I have sucky quality. No, when I zoom in, it's worse. Ooh, it's pretty! Look at it! Okay. Oh. There's fireworks going off by... No, they're back there! I don't know if you guys can see them. Oh no, I might be too late. Look, they're back there, guys. I got some. And Mom has a firework and the neighbors are doing fireworks. Oh, I'm back. Oh, okay. Yeah. Haha, Mom, you got a dead one too. Oh yeah, let the neighbors. Ooh, okay. They were going off. I think I'm too late. I'm waiting. Yes, they're over there. Do you see them? Do you guys see them? I can see them, kind of. I don't know if the camera can.
Like a little bit of spark.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, red. Ooh. I think Dad lit a firework. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Not really see it.
Oh, I got that! Good! I got it. Yeah. Never mind, Dad waited for us, so we didn't miss it. I need to sit down! Yeah. Oh, my eyes! Oh, I can't see it. It's a bunch of colors. No, my quality. My quality is too bad.
That's white and red. Candy King Christmas by 4th of July.
You can't see the colors, it just looks like a bunch of light because my quality... Whoa, look at that. There's some really far down there. I saw them. I think they stopped now. I don't know. Oh, do you guys see the flashing? Yeah, they're like way down there. Remember last year how I could not find the fireworks at all and I really wanted to? Well, this year I finally found them. I accomplished my dreams. I'm so happy. Light it up like the 4th of July. Oh, no, they're not lighting up anymore. Dang, now my song doesn't work. Oh.
Big deal.
Fireworks. Oh.
I was really zoomed in.
It's like pop rocks. That's what pop rocks look like in your mouth. Really
Where are the neighbors? Run away, Dad! What are you doing? Oh no! Oh no! Or maybe if I get closer, it's better quality. Oh, I think it is. I don't know. It's really flashy, like flash photography. Oh, that was loud. But Mom lit a firework. Oh yeah, I have to be close for it to be okay quality.
Do some bang.
Oh shit, the neighbors over there.
Give me some bang for my butt.
Mango! Mango!
Ooh. Dad's wish came true. He got some bangs for his butt. Oh, it was really bright, but I missed it because I was picking my butt crack. And just light up the night like the 4th of July. Cause baby, you're a firework. I want to sing that while I fire. Oh yeah, perfect. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em all your worth. Make 'em go, oh. I need a better firework to sing to. Ooh. Oh no, I don't even know if I'm recording the right spot. I don't think I am. I got one! Yay!
Kind of.
We're about to do one called Icy. Icy Hot Todoroki. They should have a Todoroki firework. Oh! It's not blue, it's a scam. It's not ice, it's a scam. Oh! Oh, okay. Well. Oh, well, I don't, it's like, I don't, it's like, oh, just light up the night like the 4th of July, 'cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, gotta make 'em laugh, 'cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Yeah, woo, that gave me something to sing to. Adrenaline. Oh, you can't even see me. I wonder what the guinea pigs are thinking. They probably think it's a war zone. Ooh, the neighbors are going now. They have really cool fireworks. Wait, what's another song I can sing while the fireworks going? Help! Okay, I have one to sing. Run, Dad, run! Okay. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, 'cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're. Dad farted in my face. Oh man, and it followed ours! That was the perfect finale! Wait, was that the finale, right?
No.
Oh, never mind! Was not the perfect finale! I wonder if the cat's okay. Light it up, the other neighbors! We have neighbors. I know another song. So light it up and let it burn! Dun, 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 dun. Pull the pin, you're not who you've been! Pass it down, lessons learned! Light it up and let it burn! Let it burn! Yeah, burn it to the ground. That's not how the lyrics go. I'm just smashing lyrics now. Wow! Yeah, dog! Oh, it's still going! It's still going! 3 a.m. this is gonna go still. Yeah! Oh, imagine that. That'd be delicious. Just 3 a.m. and your firework from 10 p.m. is still going. Oh.
I think I might have left that a little too close to the house.
Dad! Oh yeah, Dad made a really joke. If your kids don't listen to this, there was a dead firework, it went on, then went off in 5 seconds, and he's like, it's like me during sex. There's another one in this video. Just this clip actually is like 10 minutes almost. So this video might be long, but like deal with it because yeah. Finale. It's called Warzone. Warzone. Is it done or is it gonna restart? I don't know. I don't know. Whoa! You guys can't see anything, neither can I, but do you hear that? Ooh, I think it's over there. Oh, it's back there. I missed it again. Oh. Well, whatever, though. Sounds like a thunderstorm. I cannot look away for 1 second. Every time I look away, put my camera down, a firework goes off. I'm mad. Nope. See what I mean? I missed it as soon as I put my phone down. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. I haven't heard this song since kindergarten. I forget it. So I will gladly stand up next to you for the land. Oh, I fell over the fence. Yeah, so I just gave up.